Okay, Raj,
Yeah.
Samyukta, I'm trying to understand what the issues are with the tunnel project. Please give me in a quick summary what exactly is the problem that we have.
The aim of the tunnel project is to reduce commute distance, time, cost, and to reduce air and noise pollution. But what will actually happen is the exact opposite. For example, the commute cost will go up because of toll. Every kilometer, 20 rupees.
Yeah.
And what will happen is the commute distance will go up
Yeah.
because of the extra distance that one has to travel towards the ramp. And then the ramp itself, the entry and exit ramp, they are 1.1 kilometer average, which means 2.2 kilometer gets added to our commute distance. And to reach those ramps, you'll have to commute extra distance. So commute distance goes up, commute time goes up, commute cost goes up, air and noise pollution will automatically go up, and so the entire premise of making this is completely defeated.
Facing okay na background if you're okay.
Samyukta, did you know all this?
Like actually, I wasn't aware of all of this in this much detail.
Yeah.
Uh,
And how critical those small issues
yeah,
are,
the small things have such a big impact. Even a protest like this to talk about what's important, or the way we spoke about the ramp, or even just something as small as the U-turn, or how it's not inclusive because it's not meant for all. Though it seems like it's going to help. So when we're talking, anyway, so so I feel like this is so important for people like Raj to come out and speak and spread the awareness, because hopefully the government can hear our voice then. Yeah.
Because it's our city, isn't it?
It is our city, Nam Bengaluru. If we don't care for the things around us and for our environment, who will? It's also not just about us, it's about the future generation. And even for more selfish reasons, for your sake, for your health's sake,
Yeah.
for the sake of pollution, you have to look after the greenery and, Bangalore itself.
And Samyukta, one of the things that really surprised me when you talked just now was you said the ramps, the inclusivity. The fact is, it's going to be such a short tunnel, but the impact around it in terms of the construction is huge, and it won't be usable by the general public because it's so
Absolutely
expensive.
not.
So please continue.
So the thing is, we are going to cater to, there are only about 20 lakh cars in Bangalore, out of which maybe 3-4 lakhs will go along that particular route, Hebbal to Silkport, out of which people who can afford that 20 rupees per kilometer is going to be about maybe a maximum of 1 lakh per day. So for 1 lakh cars, you're ready to spend 20,000 crores, but for 1 crore vehicles, other than those cars, what are you doing?
So there is a huge dichotomy in the fact that it doesn't seem to be thought through. So whether you look at aesthetics, engineering, pollution, impact on heritage, impact on life around, and the value that it has, it seems to score zero on all.
Actually, what we are doing is, we are ignoring the low-hanging fruits, and we want to go right on top of the tree and try to pluck those fruits and break our hands and
But
legs.
Raj, we are IT city, no? We must do all the big stuff. How do you answer that?
No, because this is going to also, in addition to other problems, it's going to harm our environment. Let me tell you one small thing. Let's look at it in two parts. During construction and post-construction. During construction, can you believe it? There'll be tens of thousands of truckloads of debris coming out. Debris coming out.
Can you believe that?
And then being transported to we don't know where. Tens and thousands of truckloads. Where will all that debris go? And secondly, after construction, people are not
In our
aware.
lungs.
No, post construction, plenty of energy requirement is there to maintain this particular TRP, the tunnel road. Why is that required? Because it has to be monitored continuously. Lighting has to be fail-proof 24/7. And monitoring is not just that. There has to be cameras, high resolution cameras. There have to be elevators, and entire team has to be working throughout the length of the tunnels and the ramps to make sure there is no single accident, fire, water, whatever.
And you can imagine. I ask you one question, Raj, because I'm going to put down the 10 points why this should not happen on many, many reasons. Is there anything that you see is a plus about this TRP? Anything, even one?
I've been racking my brains, not a single point is plus. If you take the
But-
cost, if you take the disruption it will cause, if you take the environmental disaster that it will cause, and the fact that it is completely non-inclusive, and the result is not, with the same money, we can buy tens of thousands of small buses, we can have metro, we can have suburban rails, so, and so many other things.
So will it be something like every car that goes through is costing us as taxpayers a lakh of rupees?
Ultimately,
A lakh of rupees?
every rupee that is spent has to be paid, even if somebody gives a loan or whatever, has to be paid by you and me.
Yeah.
There is no
So
option.
I'm paying for that guy to travel in that car through that tunnel,
But
and
the-
I'm paying it every year.
But that same guy doesn't realize today that he is going to lose on his commute time, cost, and distance. He's going to lose. It is completely proven that nobody is going to gain out of this because of the additional distances required, and the fact, one important point, inside the tunnel, 60 kilometers maximum will be allowed, but average speed will be about 45 kilometers, let's assume. Because in the tunnel, overtaking is not
It's not
allowed.
possible, yeah.
So you go at 60, but I'm going to go at 40, somebody goes at 30. Lowest speed is a ruling speed. Now the point is, below you are going at 45 kilometers per hour. On the top, on the surface, vehicles are moving at 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. The ramp is the interface. So what will happen in the ramp? There will be a gridlock.
A gridlock.
Because outside there is a congestion.
So you tell me, when people want the tunnel project so much, there must be a reason.
I
They're
don't think
thinking
people
about
want it.
No, some people do. They think about it saying it will solve some problem, but it won't solve the problem, will it?
If you do not realize all the implications, the various aspects about this tunnel project, obviously in a state of misinformation or wrong information or incomplete information, you may think, wow, tunnel. World over, people are giving up tunnel and going for these kind of situations and going in for public transport world over. And for Bengaluru particularly, the tunnel is not suitable because Bengaluru has a water problem.
And we've got a geophysical issue. Geologically, we are not really
Yes,
suited.
we have
We
hard
don't have a
rock,
problem
we
there.
have water problem because we are pumping water from 100 kilometers away, 1,000 feet up. How long can we sustain this?
No, so Raj, I think most of us over here, right? Sam, I've been racking my brains and asking him, is there one good reason why the tunnel project should happen? Because from my point of view, I'm saying, hey, listen, I'm going to be paying for that tunnel project for the next 20 years. So every car that goes in is going to cost me a lakh of rupees.
So I think-
you have a car, but it's going to cost me a lakh of rupees for you to take that car.
So Karnataka pays the highest road tax. Okay, the money we pay, no other state in the country pays that
Yeah.
much. Okay, you can see the roads. There are potholes. There are the number of accidents in Bangalore, right? When it's raining at dark, I, as Samyukta, like my car, the silencer broke, and I had my problems with it. But you know how much I had to fight for insurance, no matter how much tax I pay. So this is someone who can speak up, who will call it
You've got
out,
the
and
voice.
I fight and all that. I just say I'll put one tweet or something, and people do this.
Respond.
What about people who actually require this support and effort from the government to look after their vehicles? So there are so many bigger issues that we need to address, and people have 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, and the noise pollution, the air pollution, everything is increasing because of the number of cars. Instead of working on that, we are just trying to build. We're really not caring about Bangalore city itself. Green city, Num city, ella bittogide.
Yeah.
It's some
No, we have
other
to move
selfish.
on
I
cars.
think I think that's the bigger problem here.
Yeah. We're looking at the city as moving cars, not moving people.
Yeah.
That I think has
And
nobody's
so
got.
the
We've
divide
forgotten
between
these two things.
So
which
the
is like
rich will get richer, the poor will get poor, and you only care about the people who have, and
What's
they're the ones.
solution? What's the solution?
Oh well, that's a best question that you can ask today, because people think, those who want the tunnel road, they think there is no solution
Yeah.
apart from this, which is completely wrong.
Yeah.
The solutions are not rocket science. They are all known to everyone.
And they should have started high.
They are known
They
to
should have started
everyone.
long back.
Yes. The solution is simple. Have good walkability, good footpaths, good roads with proper camber, good drainage system, and fantastic public transport. Emulate other cities who you say are making tunnels, emulate them in terms of public transport. Look at Mumbai, 75 lakh people every day use the suburban rail. Look at Delhi, it's the biggest metro network in the world probably. Look at Singapore, look at the public transport there. So when you compare some other city where you say there is a tunnel, you should compare the public transport.
But
We are
Raj,
way behind.
I will not allow my daughter to marry somebody who doesn't have a car. What do you say to that?
Well, when I got married, there was no car with me.
Samyukta, I won't allow my daughter to marry somebody who doesn't have a car.
Would you marry
My
somebody?
child, you ask my mom. She has to reply.
Mama said, please get her married first.
It's not that. Because of the condition of even bikers, or because of the way the street is,
Yeah.
it's most unsafe.
Yeah.
Yeah. My dad never let me ride a bike. Okay. That's not the thing. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's not.
It's the roads are not safe, and yeah.
There are 20 lakh cars in the Bangalore. That means only 20 lakh people have got married. What about the 1 crore people who have two-wheelers?
Sorry.
Oh my God, there's so many single people in Bangalore.
Oh
Where
my
are they?
God, I know.
This is a bigger issue we're discussing.
No.
But Raj, we have to find humor.
seriously,
Yeah.
Seriously, owning a car can be an aspiration. But taking a car out every day because your public transport is not good, because your roads are not good, is
Yeah.
wrong. It's wrong.
I agree. So, and I think Katyani, you've been saying a lot about this. Now, if in just a minute you say, what's wrong with this? Why should we as citizens push back? Give me 3 reasons. Why should we push back?
See, just like Raj mentioned, there are only 24 lakh cars here, and of them, hardly anybody, or maybe 1 lakh will go per day in that tunnel, and they have to pay 600 rupees. 300 on the way and 300 on the way back.
Sure,
So
somebody
it
will
is
pay.
600
It's up to
rupees
them,
per
let them
day,
pay.
which works out to 18,000 rupees per month. Tell me how many people in this city can afford to pay 18,000 rupees a month
Good
just
point.
for traveling those 16
Good point.
kilometers.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's one. What are your next 2 points?
It makes it so clear that not even 0.001% of people are going to use that tunnel. And with that, you are believing that congestion of Bangalore is going to be stopped just on
No
the
way.
16 kilometers, about 1 lakh car going there. And what about the rest of the roads? How will that be decongested by spending 20,000 crore just on this? I was just reading in the paper today that the whole budget for Karnataka's health is 15,000 crore, and you want to spend this amount just to send 1 lakh people in the tunnel road for 16 kilometers.
And paying 18,000 rupees a month if I go
Yes,
every day.
yes.
Interesting point. Katyani, thank God for people like you who stand up and work for citizens. Really appreciate that. Guys, are we all ready? How many tickets? You guys got tickets?